guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Just wanted to jump into Ford to show you guys another couple trades I made on the portfolio. As you guys know, I've been doing a lot of day and swing trading with Ford, and today is the third consecutive day that I was able to do a pretty good return. As you guys remember, a couple days ago I did a $200 swing trade. Yesterday I did a $50 day and swing trade, and today I was also able to do an $80 day and swing trade. So let's take a look at the portfolio to kind of update you guys, to give you guys an idea of what's been happening with the portfolio. Again, full transparency here. I'll go through all of these orders to show you guys in real numbers what's happening with the portfolio. As you guys know from yesterday, did the swing trade here, 600 shares, sold off at 11.18, made just under $50 for that particular trade. And then I went ahead and jumped back in for a setup for a swing trade, 200 shares at 11.12 here, 200 additional shares, 11.11, and I believe 200 more, 200 more at 11.10, just averaging down on that. Was not able to get out of the stock yesterday. Also right before close, actually right on the close time. Never had an order like this. You can see in the middle there, I bought these shares at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is when the markets closed. I was able to get in for another 475 shares at 11.08. So essentially 1,075 shares to sell off today. And we can see that sell off here, 1,075 at 11.17. So I made just under $80 for that particular trade. So not too bad, especially given that 475 of those shares yesterday were literally bought right at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Must have been a few seconds before the market closed. Never had an order that close to the close of trading. And then today I went ahead and jumped back in again, 300 shares at 11.10, and I believe I bought an extra 200 or 198 at 11.10. Was not able to have enough capital put in that last order there, so I just went ahead and bought 198 shares. So again, another day and swing trade, kind of a combined trade today. Made a little under $80, and that is to complement the $50 I made the day prior, and then the $200 I made the day prior to that. So very, very good vehicle for day and swing trading. As you guys know, I've talked extensively about Ford and the day trades that I do. It's all about knowing where to get in and out of the stock. As long as you have a reasonable price to get into the stock, to put your limit buy in, and then as well as getting out of the stock, this has been a very, very good vehicle, again, for day and swing trading. I did get a little bit lucky today. As you see here, the stock basically went right up to my limit sell, 11.17. If I would have had put that in 11.20, 11.18, I would not have been able to get out of the stock. And again, when it trended down here, right at, almost at the nadir here, it did get down to 11.09 right before closing, I believe. Yeah, 11.09, but I basically bought back at 11.10, so really was able to time the peak fairly well and then time the nadir here, or the dip as well. Again, this is all part of the buy the dip, sell the rally strategy. Been doing this for weeks now, and you can see here, very, very consistent here, dropping down, go ahead and buy here, buy here. Anytime it dips, you go ahead and buy it, and then when it peaks up, and it's been peaking up relatively consistently here. It looks like there's a line of resistance here, 11.18, 11.19, and I don't typically go all the way up to that point. I basically put a couple cents in between the top of the peaks as well as my buy orders, a couple cents between the dips and my buy orders. That really guarantees you that you'll always be able to get in and out of the stock. So for example, if I would have put my limit buy in at 11.09 or right at the absolute bottom of these peaks, I might not be able to get into the stock. If I do 11.10, 11.11, I'm for sure going to buy some of those shares, as well as the peaks here. If it gets up to 11.18, 11.19, go ahead and just put a limit sell in 11.17, and if you don't necessarily time that peak perfectly, you still are able to get out of the stock, and then when it trends back down, buy again. And again, I've been doing this for almost a year. It's been very, very consistent, and again, you can't get out of every trade in a short amount of time. You might have to hold the stock a little bit longer term, whether that be a couple of weeks or a couple of months. But again, Ford is a blue chip stock. It's a okay stock to hold longer term. Definitely would not be doing this with penny stocks. So I definitely would not replicate what I'm doing here with penny stocks. Ford and a few other stocks I would recommend doing this with, but anything else, I definitely would not be doing that. And again, I'm not a professional trader, so take my advice for what it's worth, but this has been a very, very good vehicle for day and swing trading for at least my experience so far. So again, just wanted to update you guys on another day and swing trade here. $80 today, complementing the $50 yesterday and the $200 before that. And the whole reason I'm doing this is a couple viewers, actually more than a few viewers, quite a few viewers wanted to see my day and swing trades for full transparency, taking a look exactly what I'm doing with the portfolio, where I'm putting in my limit buy, limit sell orders, how I'm doing my day and swing trades. So hope you guys have been enjoying these types of videos. If not, just let me know, and I won't put out necessarily all of my day and swing trades, but I thought just for some transparency here, to show you guys exactly how I'm trading with my portfolio, I'd put out a few of these videos. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on a day and swing trade. Again, let me know if you guys have done any day and swing trading with Ford, or if there's another great stock like Ford, relatively low priced blue chip stock that would be a good play for a longer term hold, but also a very good play for day and swing trading. Let me know as well, and I'll start maybe incorporating some of those trades into my portfolio as well. So yeah, kind of that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely appreciate your guys' support, building the channel, having a ton of fun putting out these videos. I've been learning a ton about investing and the markets and all sorts of things with regards to investing. I hope you guys have been learning along with me. As always, if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, anything at all, let me know down in the comment threads or send me a personal message. And if you guys have any great ideas for videos, let me know as well. Always looking for new things to read up on and research. So yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.